Hello, hello, hello. In which of the following state of the matter molecules have maximum attribute of force? Option D, solid. Which of the following statement is not correct with respect to substance? Option A. There is no attribution force between particles of matter. Which of the following is true with respect to particles of solid? Option C. There are confined in a systemic manner. How many states of matter have been determined the synthesis of fire? Option B 5. Matter is the contents of the universe. Every object that occupies a space and has a mass is called matter of substance. There are 5 states of matter have been determined by scientists for fire: solid, liquid, gas, plasma, base, instant, condensation. What can be identified from the figure given below? Option B. Plasma is a fluid present in all the cell of the body. Diffusion occurs in extreme intensity in the option C gases. If ammonia is a gas, then camphor is a solid. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Option A. The particles of matter are in steady state. लाइक कर दो सब लोग भाई, लाइक कर दो बंधु लोग, लाइक कर दो एंड फॉलो कर दो. डैश इज द प्योर सब्सटेंस. ऑप्शन बी मीथेन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज आर ट्रू? रिजिडिटी. According to the type of substance, size varies depending on the location of particles. For example, of solids have a fixed size, While liquid attain the size of their vessels and its seen gases have no shape. Compressibility. This is the quality of substance that reduces their volume at high pressure. These properties found in gases. Option C. Only B is true. Classification of matters. The, the mixture can be dash in nature. Option C. Both homogeneous and heterogeneous. An alloy is an example of option C. Solid solution. सब लाइक कर दो हाँ सब लाइक कर दो Which of the following is heterogeneous mixture? Option D milk. Identify the old one from the following. Option D water. The physical state of the physical the physical state of ordinary substance does not include dash substance. Option A colloid. The air is a dash. Option D mixture of both element and compounds. The heterogeneous mixture in which solute particles do not dissolve but remains suspended throughout the medium is called option B suspension. Which law is in science does not follow the properties of a mixture? Option D its structure is fixed. When two liquids do not dissolve in each other and do not form a solution, what is called? Option C miscible. Sugar is a dash in a sugar solution. Option B dissolved substance. लाइक कर दो लाइक गाइस सब लोग लाइक कर दो कुछ बोलना है तो बोल सकते हो चैट पे गैस इज नॉट एन कंपाउंड ऑप्शन ए लेड ठीक है वेट एक सेकंड भाई Wait a second. A mixture of sand and sugar is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. Physical and chemical changes. In which of the following process is converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide? Option C. Fermentation. At what temperature does gypsum get converted into plaster of Paris? Gypsum convert option. 373 Kelvin. CaSO4 half or H2O. लाइक कर दो सब लोग ड्यूरिंग फर्मेंटेशन इज yeast pyruvate is converted into which of the following product? Option C ethanol and carbon dioxide. Convert the ethanol and to ethanoic acid is catalyzed. Option B alkyne KMnO4 and acidified K2Cr2O7. Which of the following is the process of converting sugar into alcohol? Option B fermentation. Which of the following is not a physical changes? Option C fermentation of substance. लाइक कर दो भाई लोग लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर दो हाँ 10 लाइक कर दो भाई मिनिमम 10 लाइक Which of the following is not a chemical change? Option D glowing of a platinum wire. Which of the following is a chemical change? Option A. Surrounding a butter of butter. Rusting of iron is a common example of which? Option D. Chemical changes. Which of the following is an example of chemical change? Option C. Neutralization. The HCl plus NaOH equal to NaCl plus H2. Acid base salt water. This is not a chemical change. Option B. Melting of ice cube. Which of the following is a physical change? Option C. Melting of ice cube. What is the name of process in which gas is directly converted into solid? Option B. Deposition. Which of the following observation helps us to determine whether a chemical reaction has taken or not? Option D. All of option. Change into state, color change, gas emission. Which of the following is a physical change? Option A. Water change to ice. Which of the following is not an example of chemical change? Option C. Change of water into water vapor. Which of the following is a chemical change? Option A. Conversion of milk into crude. Law of conservation of mass. What is the need of balanced chemical equations? Option B. To satisfy the law of conservation mass. Which law states that mass cannot be produced or destroyed in a chemical reaction? Option D. Law of conservation of mass. Dash balanced chemical equation corresponds to dash a law of conservation of mass. During a chemical reaction, the sum of the masses of the reactant and product remains unchanged. What is called? Option D. Mass conversion pupil. So, law of constant proportions. Who among the following scientists propounded the law of constant ratio? Option B. Joseph Proust. The rule of constant ratio was given by B. Option B. Joseph L. Proust. According to the law of constant proportions, options in chemical matter elements are always present in fixed proportion of mass. According to which of the following rules a given chemical substance always contains the same element that are combined in defined proportion by weight? Option law of constant ratio. Example 2Na plus Cl equal to 2NaCl. All samples of carbon dioxide অন করে দিয়েছি না অন করে দিয়েছি all sample carbon dioxide and oxygen in a mass ratio of 3:8. This is in agreement with the rule of option B, constant proportion. Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton's theory was based on which rule? Option B, chemical combination. Dalton's atomic theory provides an explanation for which of the following? Option B, law of mass conservation and fixed proportion. Which of which of the following statement is correct according to Dalton's method? Atoms are invisible particles of matter. Which of the following is not the concept of Dalton's atomic theory? Option D. According to Dalton's atomic theory, every substance consists or made of small particle called atom. The atoms cannot be divided by any chemical or physical method. Hence, option is D is not the concept of Dalton's atomic theory. The propose that each element has a particular atom's mass. Option A, Dalton. Which scientist provided the basic theory about the nature of matter? Option D, John Dalton. Molecule atomic weight. Which of the following elements has the maximum number of atoms in their molecule form? Option C, sulfur. What is the approximate molecular weight of common salt? Option D, 58 gram per mole. In ammonia, nitrogen and hydrogen are present in the ratio dash by mass. 14:3. Atoms chemically combine to become a molecules. Atoms of the same element or different elements together can make molecules. How many molecules of water are present in one molecule of copper sulfate? Option A, 5 molecules. In CaO of ratio of Ca and O by mass is 5:2. Hydrogen and oxygen are present in water dash proportion of the mass. Option B, 1:8. The mass of N2 and H2 is ammonia is always in the ratio of 14:13. How many atoms are in a molecule of ammonium chloride? Option D, 6. At standard temperature and pressure, 7.5 grams of gas takes up 5.6 liters of volume. What gas is it? NO. Which of the following compound has the most atoms? Option B, H2SO4. HNO2, 4 atoms. H2SO4, 7 atoms. CO2, 3 atoms. CaOH group 2, 5 atoms. The atomic mass of calcium is option D, 40. How many atoms are in a molecule of NH4 group 2 SO4? Option B, 15. Which is the percentage of nitrogen in NH4 NO3? Option A, 35%. What is the present amount of carbon in CO2? Option D, 23.3.
एसएससी जीडी 2023 के एग्जाम से एलसीएम एचसीएफ का ये मास्टर।
হ্যালো, হ্যালো, सुनाई दे रहा है? Gas is the smallest particle of matter that has free existences. Option D. Molecules. What is the mass of molecules of water? Option B. 90 units. Dash carried for the introductions of word molecules around 1896. Option C. William Oswald. The molecule mass of sodium carbonate is option D. 106. The mass of 0.6 molecules of nitrogen is option A. 16.8 gram. The molecular mass of CaOH group 2 is 74 U. What is the smallest possible unit of the compound called? Molecule. The number of atoms that constitute a molecule is known as its atomicity. Who discovered the word molecule? Democritus. Dash a dash can be defined as a portion of an dash or the dash fraction or a compound that is capable of independent experience and shows all properties of that element. Molecule element smallest. Atomic mass relative to all elements has been found in relation to an atom of option D, C12. How many atoms are present in the molecule of CaOH group 2? Option C 5. C and O in CO2 are present in the ratio C is to 8. The number of atoms that constitute a molecule is called atomicity. The atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 and that of hydrogen is 1. What will be the molecular mass of ammonia? 17. N14 H3 into 1. 14 plus 3 17. To find the atomic weight of the element with which of the following is the element compared? Hydrogen. The mass of a molecule of oxygen is option D 5.3 into 10 to the minus 23 gram. So mole হচ্ছে 6.02 into 10 to the 23, oxygen 32. So 32 by 6.02 into 20 to the power 23 equal to 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 23. In 144 grams of magnesium dash gram atoms are present. Option B 6. 144 by magnesium 24. 144 by 24 6. Which amount of chlorine give in a vessel of 273 K on IDM cube capacity will has minimum pressure? Option C 0.0355 gram. The gram molecular mass of oxygen is 32 gram. The density of oxygen is 1.421 gram per cc. What is the gram molecular volume of oxygen? Option A 22.4 liter. Which of the following will have the maximum mass? Option D 0.1 mole of NH3. The atomic mass of carbon is 12. The number of molecules in 24 gram of carbon will be option A 2. How many atoms of sulfur are present in 0.6 molecules of CSO2? Option D 3.613 into 10 to the power 23. PbO plus HCl equal to PbCl 2 plus H2O. Solve the equation how to balance the above equations. HCl required dash mole 2 mole. The PbO plus HCl equal to what is the mass of 0.3 mole of oxygen. Oxygen group 16. 16 into 2 into 0.3 9.6 gram. There the name of moles present in 90 grams of water is 1 into 2 plus 16 into 1 18 grams. And number of moles 90 by 80 5 moles. 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. There are 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms in 16 gram of oxygen. Given that 1 mole atoms of oxygen weight is 16 gram, what is the molecular weight of ozone? Option B 48 gram per mole. Who introduced the word mole in chemistry? Option C William Oswald. What is the unit of calculation for a chemist? Option A mole. The atomic mass of aluminium is 27 mu. The name of number of mole present in 54 gram aluminum will be. Option 2. Which of the following is the correct definition of mole? Option A. The amount of any substance that has the same basic unit as the atoms is 12 grams of carbon 12 is called a mole. It is equal to the gram atomic mass of substance equal to the gram molecular weight and 6.02 into the power 23 molecules of the substance. They calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of N2 gas, 14 gram. What is the number of particles present in mole of any substance? Option B 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. The number of atoms or molecules or ions present in 1 mole of substance is called. Option C Avogadro number. In 1 mole of acetic acid, dash oxygen atoms are present. Option 8, option 2. 69 gram of sodium contains 3 mole of sodium. What is the atomic mass of sodium? Option 3 69 gram. How many moles are present in 64 g of He? Option B 16 moles. How many molecules are present in 63 gram of nucleic acid? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. How many atoms are the copper in molecule? Option C 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. How many moles of sulfuric acid are in 25 gram? Option D 0.255. A molecule of any substance contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles if 3.0115 into 10 to the power 23 particles are present in 06 CO2. Then the number of molecules of CO2 is 0.5. How many atoms of sulfur are present in 0.6 moles of SO2? Option B 3.613 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. How many moles are present in 54 gram in He? Option A 13.5 mole. How many moles are there in 0.5 mole of KCl? Option A 3.01 into 10 to the power 23. What is the mass of 10 mole of CO2? Option B 440. Which of the following weight is the highest? 10 to the power 23 moles of H2 will have the highest weight. The number of Avogadro Na equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 moles inverse. So what is the number of atoms is 0.1 mole of the triple gas. Option A 6.02 into 10 to the power 22. What is the mass of 0.1 mole of CH4? 1.6 gram. The atomic mass of carbon is 12 and the atomic mass of helium is 4. Which of the following statement is true? 1 mole of each element. Option D. 1 mole of carbon will have the same number of atoms present in 1 mole of helium. How many molecules are present in 1 mole of water? Option B 6.02023 moles. The atomic mass of sulfur is 32 U. What is the number of moles is 16 grams of sulfur? Option B. Number of moles equal to 16 by 32 0.5 mole. What will be the number of moles in 60 gram of helium? 60 by 4 equal to 415 moles. Option C. What is the number of moles present in 540 grams of glucose? Option A 3. Moles are present in 52 grams of helium are option B 13. The Avogadro number is present by B N0. Avogadro number is equivalent of A 6.002214 into 10 to the power 23. In 88 gram of carbon of number of molecules present are option A 2. How many molecules are in 1 gram of hydrogen? Option D 3.01 into 10 to the power 23.